Good morning, April 23rd, and we are opening a new page in our self-exploration under the Eureka Effect segment. Today we'll discuss why our individuality isn't just psychological advice, but a fundamental biological law. Our message of the day: nature created every individual as a unique specimen, using complex algorithms that cannot be replicated. Our uniqueness is etched deeper than we can imagine. Today we are talking about eyes, both what we see in a mirror, the colored iris, and what's hidden inside the retina act as our personal, one-of-a-kind password. What is the Eureka Effect here? We know that fingerprints and eyes are the gold standards of identification. But what's the difference? Science says a fingerprint has about 40 unique characteristics. The retina, however, has over 250. The retina is the only place in the body where we can directly see blood vessels and nerve tissue without any surgery. It is effectively a part of the brain brought to the outside. The vascular pattern of the retina isn't just an image. It's a graphic representation of our brain's blood circulation. This pattern forms in the womb, but it isn't fully written in our DNA. It's the result of a chaotic, creative, developmental process. Therefore, even identical twins with the same DNA have completely different retinal patterns. This means nature went to incredible lengths to ensure a unique result, even with the same starting code. How can we use this in life? Biological autograph. Your perspective on the world is physically impossible to copy. Ask yourself, what unique decision can I make right now based on my own code? Find your own path. Look for what resonates with your internal system. If nature didn't make us carbon copies, even at the capillary level, why should we live by standard template? Understanding that another person is also a complex biometric masterpiece creates space for genuine curiosity and exchange of experiences. Every human being is an exclusive creation of nature, and the world is waiting for exactly what only you can give, looking at it through your unique eyes. Your Eureka Effect by Advance Embrace.